Colorado Springs, a complex winter storm is on the way. Let's get into it. A cold front is expected by 7 a.m. on the morning of the 8th. This will drive lift that will then give us snow that's expected to start sometime after the front. Looks like that'll be between 5 to 8 a.m. depending on the front, and that's again the morning of the 8th. Later in the morning, dry slotting is expected based off simulated radar on HRRR this evening. Dry slotting is going to give us a small lull in the snow sometime between mid-morning, and then that will end in the afternoon with snow starting once again. As we progress into the evening, late into the evening, it looks like snow is going to pick up with a secondary cold push. That's going to bring upslope conditions right after that with a wind shift. So expect the winds to shift out of the east on the night of the 8th going into the morning of the 9th. And then we're going to transition over to some snowfall charts here, and let's take a look. Transitioning over to our ensemble mean snowfall, we can see the result of the upslope flow. Essentially what I'm expecting is upslope flow to happen overnight on the 8th into the 9th and then continue into essentially, I'll say, who knows when. There's not a good model consensus on when the upslope flow is going to shut off. I'll basically tell you that I expect it to be overnight Friday into Saturday morning at the very latest, but there are some models that shut it off much sooner than that. So I'll have a better idea on the ending time as we progress and get new data sets in the next 24 to 48 hours. But let's talk about totals and then focus back in on the morning of the 9th. The morning of the 9th is when we might actually get a snow day. Looks like ice, blowing snow, low visibility, and accumulating snowfall are all possible on morning of the 9th. We'll have better details on those exact impacts with total snowfall, exact visibility, etc. once we have our cold front and our snow set up. So let's get to it. We'll see what we're going to get. As far as guesses for totals, I'm going to guess here west of I-25, 6 inches total by Saturday morning, with banded snowfall causing us to maybe get up to about 10 possible as a low probability amount. And then east of I-25, 2 to 4 inches with, again, maybe 2 inches extra from banded snow possible with local amounts. So overall complex system, cold front, upslope, secondary cold push, all that fun stuff. Get ready for a cold couple days with snowfall and low visibility, guys. It's going to be a fun few days. Get ready for the snow and pay attention to your alerts.